One other thing I want to talk about is what you want to do when considering working with brands. Keeping in mind that brands are now putting their money towards social media marketing and influencer marketing is going to really be your strength and knowing your worth and moving into that world. So as long as you're authentic in what you're saying and what's helped you, it's always going to be someone out there that's going to appreciate that and rock with you because of it, for sure. Always be yourself no matter what. That's what's something that no one else will ever be able to replicate or replace. No one's gonna do it like you. You gotta remember that. You really have to be aware of like your own worth as a creative. It's not just about, following the one thing that made you who you are. If you have that power to adapt and that self-awareness to know when to change, you're going to be around for a very, very long time.